Welcome to the epitome of automotive elegance. In front of you, behold a stunning classic luxury car, flawlessly presented in a sophisticated showroom. From the straight front view, you can immediately appreciate the bold, iconic grille that commands attention, flanked by meticulously designed headlights that shine with a soft, inviting glow. The sleek black glossy exterior, accented by gleaming chrome trims, reflects both modern finesse and vintage charm. As we gently move to the side, notice the car's graceful lines, with its timeless curves that emphasize a sense of sophistication and movement. The polished showroom floor beneath the vehicle mirrors its opulence, while ambient lighting caresses its curves, adding depth and refinement. Every detail, from the precision of the chrome accents to the fluidity of its shape, showcases an automotive masterpiece that stands as a symbol of luxury, grace, and timeless appeal. Step inside this masterpiece of timeless luxury, where craftsmanship and elegance converge. As the doors open, you're greeted by a meticulously designed interior, wrapped in sumptuous black upholstery with intricate chrome accents. The front seats are a blend of comfort and sophistication, featuring detailed stitching that speaks to the finest artistry. The dashboard exudes refinement, with its clean lines, polished finishes, and intuitive layout embodying both functionality and style. From the back, the spacious seating area offers a sanctuary of comfort, perfect for leisurely drives or grand occasions. Every detail, from the soft touch of the upholstery to the elegant trims on the door panels, has been thoughtfully curated to deliver an unmatched experience of luxury. Ambient lighting enhances the interior's grandeur, while the polished floors of the showroom reflect the car's interior beauty, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity. This is more than just a car. It's an invitation to indulge in luxury at its finest. Now let's delve into the remarkable performance and pricing of this classic luxury masterpiece. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of engineering, combining timeless design with modern performance. This vehicle is equipped with a finely tuned engine, delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The acceleration is seamless, and the handling offers precision and grace, ensuring a ride that is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. Whether cruising along scenic routes or navigating busy city streets, this car offers unmatched poise and refinement. Fuel efficiency has been thoughtfully optimized without compromising performance, making it not only a statement of luxury but also a practical choice for the discerning driver. Advanced suspension ensures every journey feels effortless, absorbing road imperfections and delivering a ride that is truly sublime. Now, let's talk about pricing. This iconic classic luxury car is a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched prestige. Priced at a range that reflects its exclusivity, this model starts at an impressive $250,000, catering to those who appreciate the finer things in life. For collectors and enthusiasts, it represents an investment in automotive history, as its timeless design ensures enduring value. This car is not just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of status, sophistication, and performance that is truly in a class of its own. Owning this classic luxury car goes beyond just driving. It's about experiencing unparalleled prestige and comfort. Its timeless design ensures you stand out wherever you go, while the meticulously crafted interior offers a haven of elegance and relaxation. With state-of-the-art performance and a seamless driving experience, this car is perfect for both everyday journeys and special occasions. It's a statement of sophistication, blending vintage charm with modern-day convenience. But now, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this timeless masterpiece? Could you see yourself behind the wheel, experiencing the blend of luxury and performance? Share
If you're
your
as
thoughts in
impressed
the
by the
comments.
Mercedes Maybach
Whether it's
Vision
your dream
6
car
as we
or
are,
simply
let us
one
know
that
what you
inspires
think in the comments
admiration.
below.
Let
What
us know your
feature stands out to you the
And
most?
don't forget to
Don't forget to
subscribe to
like,
KK
share, and
Autos
subscribe for more
stunning
exclusive
car
reviews and
and
car insights.
exclusive
We'd love to hear your
designs.
thoughts.
Your support keeps us rolling forward.